Okay. Dito tayo ngayon nakaharap sa may ayun, hindi pala siya 4 lanes residences or hindi rin siya park lane residences, no? Napakahirap kasi natandaan. So ito pala yung pagmamayari ni SMDC. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng SMDC? Basta SMDC, ano siya, no? SM. O, mamayari siya na. Basta ano siya, may kinalaman si SM. Tama ba, mga kagala? Okay. Basahin nga natin. Puro tayo, ano dito, hula-hula, ano? Tang tamad-tamad lang Lane Residences by SMDC. Lane Residences located in San Antonio, Agdao within the SM City Lanang Premier Complex. Lane Residences gives you freedom of movement. The area is a major transportation hub close to Davao International Airport and Seaport and many other businesses. Ito yung ano nito, yung kanyang status, location, SM Lanang Premier Davao City, price range, sold out. Units, flexi unit, studio unit with balcony. Amenities, clubhouse, swimming pools, picnic area, jogging paths, basketball court, property management, Wi-Fi ready zone, 24-hour security, front desk and doorman services, mail room. Ayan o, loob na ito. Pero di pa siya sa Toslo. Ano kaya meron dito? Bakit kaya ang tagal? Ano sa tingin nyo, mga hagala? Okay, Lane Residences is designed with lush greenery and multiple of open spaces to create a calming atmosphere. Perfect for leisure. Have a picnic, play with your family at the playground. Take a stroll, play a pick-up game of basketball or lounge at the clubhouse. Pero dahil hindi siya IT parks and business districts in corporate offices and wala din siyang lifestyle malls. So panigurado siya para siyang magiging private property, no. Ibig sabihin exclusive lang siya sa mga tenants, guests, visitors and mga mag-check-in for if in case, no. So hindi siya kagaya kay Davao Park Business District or Davao Park District. Everything within reach. Lane Residences is located in the South Antonio, Agdao within the SM City Lanang Premier Complex. This gives residents quick access to Davao International Airport and the seaport should they need to travel to and from the city in a hurry, as well as the many offices and businesses in the area. Inside these open spaces offer families a safe place to enjoy recreational activities. License to sell. Reach out to contact us. So SMDC owner, no? SM, mga SM family. C. So SMDC is SM Development Corporation or SMDC Condominium. SM Development Corporation, SMDC, is a real estate developer in the Philippines. SMDC helps Filipinos reach a dream of affordable 5-star urban living. Ngayon, SM ang may-ari, no? SM. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng SM? Ito na lang, owner na lang. Who is the owner of SMDC? Founded by Henry C. It has become one of the largest conglomerates in the Philippines, being the country's dominant player in retail with 208 stores nationwide. Ayun lang, no? So, Lane Residences. SMDC, Lane Residences by SM Development Corporation. So kumbaga ano tayo, no? Trivia. SM Investment Corporation or SMIC, also known as SM Group, is a Filipino conglomerate with interests of various sectors, mostly on shopping mall development and management, retail, real estate development, banking, and tourism. Founded by Henry C., it has become one of the largest conglomerates in the Philippines, being the country's dominant player in retail with 208 stores nationwide. Of these, 47 are SM department stores, 38 are SM supermarkets, 37 are SM hypermarkets, and 86 are Save More branches. SM Investments, founded 1958, 65 years ago in Manila. Founder by Henry C. Headquarters, 10th floor, 1 Ecom Center, Harbor Drive Mall of Asia Complex, CBP, IA, Pasay, Philippines. Area serves Philippines. Key people: Jose Shu, Chairman Emeritus. Armando Titangco Jr., Chairman of the Board. Teresita C. Coson, Vice Chairperson of the Board. Frederick D. Bonsio, President and CEO. Subsidiaries. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng subsidiaries? So, yun, basa. A subsidiary company or daughter company. Okay. Sister company, daughter company is a company owned or controlled by another company which is called the parent company or holding company. Two or more subsidiaries that either belong to the same parent company or having a same management being substantially controlled by the same entity group are called sister companies. So, yun na yun. The subsidiary will be required to follow the laws where it is headquartered and incorporated. It will also maintain its own executive leadership. Subsidiary can be a company and maybe a government-owned, state-owned enterprise. So, yun na yun. Subsidiary, no? So, sa Thailand, lahat doon ay nakasubsidize by government. Kahit yung mga hilot lang daw doon, hilot massage, nakasubsidize. Kaya, hindi buhay na buhay ang kanilang mga, ano doon, kanilang turismo, no? Pati mga trabaho, pagkain, lahat, no? Komersyo. Kasi subsidized by government. So, dito sa Pilipinas, walang ganun. Kanya-kanya. You know, kawawa sa Pilipinas kahit paano kung ikumpara talaga sa Thailand. For example, yun nga yung mga daan, di ba? Subsidized daw sa Thailand, kaya sa Pilipinas basta ang pangit. Maganda kung hindi hamak talaga sana ang Pilipinas. Kaso nga daw talaga napakamahal ng mga singilan kasi nga hindi nga siya subsidized ng government. So napakamahal ng mga entrance fee, napakamahal ng mga bilihin, mga shops, ang mahal ng mga entrance fee, mayroon pa mga ticketing, di ba? Kasi hindi siya subsidized by government. For example na lang, Bacolod City. Samal, di ba? Dito sa Davao, Bacolod City is yung 30 pesos or 20 pesos sa entrance sa kanilang biwok, no? Kasi hindi siya subsidized by government. So, it's private owned. Kaya magbabayad ang mga estudyante, no? Ng 20 pesos. Sa hindi naman estudyante, 30. Tapos papunta ka naman ng Samal and vice versa, patabok, patawid papuntang Davao City. So, bababayad ka rin ng napakamahal din sa mga barko. Kasi hindi siya subsidized by government. Although mas mura na dihamak yun si Davsam or Davao Samal barge ferry boat. Mas mura siya ng 10 piso yata or 20 pesos, no? Kasi parang medyo siya, subsidized by government or parang siya, co-owner, no, ng government. So yan pala yung ibig sabihin ng subsidiary, no? Subsidiary can be a company and maybe a government-owned and state-owned enterprise. They are a common feature of modern business life, and most multinational corporations organize their operations in this way. Example of holding companies by Berkshire Hathaway. Sige na. Ano ba? Tuloy natin basahin. Huwag na lang, no? Sige, basahin nila. Diretso. Tamad ko talaga, no? Jefferies Financial Group, the Walt Disney Company, Warner Brothers Discovery or Citigroup, as well as more focused companies such as IBM, Xerox, and Microsoft. These and others organize their business into national and functional subsidiaries, often with multiple levels of subsidiaries. May nagsasabi pala sa akin para daw kung magbasa. So, sorry naman. Wala magawa, ganun talaga. Di ba? Subsidiaries, no, ng SMDC or SM Company. So, yun. SM Prime Holdings, SM Retail, SM Land, Banco de Oro, and other subsidiaries. So, ano ba yung SM Land? So, ibig sabihin nito, SM Land to, no? Yung mga nabili ng mga SM. Ito na, SM Land na to dito kasi nabili niya to, di ba? Pati itong Lane Residences. Okay, so tuloy. It is the largest company in the Philippines in terms of market capitalization and has repeatedly ranked as the top Philippine company in the Forbes Global 2000s. Okay. Ito yung SM. Ayun, Viking sa Davao. Daming tao lagi. Weekdays, weekends, holidays. Walang pinipiling araw, no? Okay, nasa second floor na tayo kung saan makikita natin yung Harrison or Park-In Hotel by Harrison. And eto, Park District. Lanang Premier Doctors Hospital Incorporated. So yun Sana ay nagustuhan ho ninyo ating ginawang mga pagbabasa sa Wikipedia. Alam ko naman kaya niyo naman mabasa ng Wikipedia, pero syempre napag-usapan na kasi natin topic yung Lanes Residences by SMDC, tapos nasa tapat lang niya tayo, nasa harap tayo ni SMDC for Lanes Residences. Binasa na natin yung kanyang information, no? So yun pala yun. So Lane Residences, kasi talaga minsan naisip ko 4 lanes or pick lanes. Lane Residences by SMDC. Yan na, maraming salamat sa mga nanonood. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Kasi nagustuhan ko rin, okay na ako. Bye bye, ingat.